Hey y'all, today we're making a stuffed sausage wrapped in bacon sandwich. You're gonna enjoy this one. So we got 5, these are actually bratwurst sausages. You can use Italian sausage, you pick your kind. We're just gonna come along the top of this and we're gonna just slit that casing open like so. You don't wanna go the whole way. And then we're gonna take and we're gonna push this in. So you want to make yourself a little void there where you can get your cheese in. Today we're using just mozzarella string cheese. So you're going to build a pocket like that. And you're going to take a piece of your cheese, put it in there, and form this around it. I like to kind of shape it a little bit. If it's not perfect, that's fine. We're gonna come back with some bacon. Use the thin stuff. The thick stuff never seems to get crispy for me. So we're just gonna start wrapping our sausages. Just like that. And I got one of these handy dandy meat pins. And we'll show you how we're gonna season these up. Okay, we have all of our sausages stuffed and wrapped. We're just going to hit them with a little bit of Heath Ryle's hot barbecue rub. Nice little even coat. Flip these guys over, hit the other side. We're going to be cooking on our Weber Kettle today using some Royal Oak hickory blended charcoal. We're going to go out and as soon as we get these seasoned, we'll get that fired up. Get these babies on. Okay, we got our Royal Oak charcoal good and hot. We're going to use our vortex today. Get our grate on there, let her heat up. We're going to put that sausage on. Okay, our Weber's running about 375 using that vortex. We're just gonna position these around the outside here. Probably gonna take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. We wanna try to get that bacon as crispy as possible. So we're gonna leave these guys, we'll come back and check in about a half hour or so. Gotta click them 3 times. Ooh yeah. Got a little squirtage action. We're about 30 minutes in on these bacon wrapped stuffed sausages. Just gonna give them a little spin. Bacon's rendering down real nice. Smells good and looks great. Probably give another half hour. We'll come out and check them. Okay, ooh yeah. We are about 55 minutes in on these sausages. And we're just gonna set a hot pan, or get a pan hot there. You can see these are starting to, bacon's rendering real good. I'm sure they're probably really close. If not, they are done. But we're gonna go ahead, get our vegetables done. We'll pull everything off at one time. So we're gonna do some onions, peppers, green and red. Get them in here. We're just gonna cook them right on our Weber. Let these guys go. Come back and check them in a few minutes. Oh, can't forget that seasoning. Hit them with some of that Heath Ryle's Everyday Rub. We'll let these cook. Come back out, get those sausages off. Okay, our sausages have hit temp. We're gonna go ahead and get these guys off of here. They look amazing. Ooh, look at that there. Got a little spewage on a couple of these. Okay, we have our sausage off, wrapped in bacon with some cheese on the inside. We're gonna pull out this pan and put one of these guys right here on this bun. Grab us another one. Just like that, we're gonna hit it with some of this. Tell you what, I'm gonna hit it with some mustard. We got some deli mustard we're using today. Just gonna give it a little. Now we're gonna put some veg on there. Peppers and onions. I'd say that looks pretty damn good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut one of these in half, see how we did. Oh yeah, look at that cross section. Time to go in for that bite. Hot. Absolutely delicious with that cheese in there. Nice juicy sausage. The green peppers and onions take it to a whole nother level. Good spicy mustard. You got to give this recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some of that.